Hi, this is AI in Agriculture, one idea a day, and today we will have a short video about agroforestry. It's one of the innovative concepts which are currently popular, and different countries are trying to implement it because there is one clear reason why agroforestry is booming and it will grow in the future, because agroforestry gives an extra revenue stream for the farmer. So it means that you are not relying anymore just for your one crop. You can have a few crops which are growing simultaneously, and you can sell the products based on these crops, and it's a diversification of your money, your profits. That's why, and again, we will speak about this direction in the future, but just to give you idea where AI is in agroforestry. When I checked the current status of developments, I didn't see a lot of applicable solutions. So most of the scientific cases, they are about the reviews, and there are some technologies like DSS, decision supportive systems, but these DSS, they are a little bit, I don't want to say any negative feedback about them, but for ordinary farmer, they are not so straightforward to use, and this is like a bottleneck for effectiveness. And what I see that more and more technological companies are interested in developing the solutions for agroforestry, specifically for understanding, for helping farmer to understand which crops are better to mix and to grow, also to assess the possibility how much money is possible to get, for example, if you grow this specific type of nuts in comparison with another one, and then if you will have this mixed crop production, which of the types of mixed type production will be the most revenue generated. And again, after seeing such a good work of generative AI, all these LLM models which are publicly available, like ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, Grok, DeepSeek, there are different requests to these chat systems, chatbots, regarding, can you help me to develop the nice agroforestry system which will bring me more money. But the problem of these systems is that they are not specifically trained for this type of answers. So they obviously generate something and they give you a response, but the quality of this response has to be checked, double checked by consultant or any other person who knows the topic, knows the matter. And that's why, as of now, there is no such a thing as agroforestry chatbot for all the use cases. At the same time, I believe it will be in the future, and I will leave you with this idea just to think about the opportunities. Thank you.